Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Frying pan. Turn the fire to high heat. Make sure the frying pan is nicely hot. A simple, delicious, healthy mixed vegetable. Carrot, I cut it really julienne cut or shredded cut, sliced thin because tough, hard to cook. Broccoli, napa, bamboo shoot, pea pod. Mixing like 4 or 5 different kind of vegetable that you have in the refrigerator. This is the Cantonese egg noodle. You can get it at the Asian grocery store. Or if you have any pasta or any kind of form of noodle that cooked that leftover, feel free to make this dish. Vegetable stir-fried noodle, or sometimes they call lo mian. Frying pan, nicely warm. You can feel the heat coming to your palm, tingling out right here. And I'm going to add some vegetable cooking oil. We need cooking oil to cook. Some ginger and garlic, mint. If you want to know how to make this, go to my YouTube channel. Just type into how to make ginger and garlic mint. Give them a quick stir. Add in the vegetable. So healthy, so good to eat. You can eat this meal 8 times a week. 2 times a day, no problem. If you like more vegetable, just add more different kind of vegetables. In the restaurant, they usually just give you a few pieces because they just based on the lo mian, mean pasta, noodles. Very good. And now, the vegetable, just a couple minutes stir fried. Nicely crispy, beautiful. Now it's the time for us to add the noodle in. Noodle is cold. I keep it in the refrigerator. Oh yeah, look at this. Basically, this is the stir-fried lo mian and the noodle. If you feel like you want to add some protein, you may add some chicken or beef or shrimp. But make sure you have to cook the beef, the meat, protein nice and warm and hot before you add into this vegetable or lo mian. In Chinese, Asian cooking, we want to cook everything hot. So you don't want to mix anything with cold, especially protein. Vegetable is okay. Because vegetable is so easy to cook. Protein is, if you add too cold protein in your dish, and it will reduce the heat, the flavor is not going to be there, and you basically will ruin the flavor and ruin the pot of the recipe. So you want to make sure you cook your protein first before you add into the lo mian. I'm not rushing because my temperature controlled perfectly, and I just want to make sure allow the noodle to have enough time to cook through. Warm, nicely hot. There's a 2 ways you can find out the noodle is getting hot enough. One is simply by tasting one noodle, or you can start to go see the smoke lightly coming up from the noodle. Cooking is fun, right? Chef Tom teach you how to simple cooking at home, clean eating, healthy. I don't want to make things complicated. I can make this noodle, have you cook like 45 minutes and wash 10,000 dishes in pot and pan. You don't want to do that. Woo, warm, hot, it's good. All right, so now, brown pepper. If you want to add some spicy, add some chili or whatever you want to add, flavor. You create your own, right? And here's some dark soy sauce. If you stay home cooking, you know how much soy sauce you're gonna put. I usually go amount of the recipe I make. I just lightly go around it like that. I don't want to eat too much sodium, so this is probably like 1.5 teaspoons for me. I would say the vegetables are a little bit over 2.5 cups. Noodles about 2 cups, you know. And cooking is about experiencing. You need to cook and taste as you go through your taste. See that now they give you a beautiful color, right? Give you a beautiful color for lo mian. Who said noodle is hard to cook at home, right? This is the lo mian. Last but not least, I always add some sesame oil. There's roasted sesame oil. Watch. Like that. My friend, the simple, delicious tornado noodle is done. The next thing we're gonna try. See how not greasy, not saucy, it's just a lot of flavor. Perfect. Perfect. Teapot. Crunchy, delicious, healthy. My friend, I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.